Afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to replace a hitch on this hay wagon. Looks like they got all the goodie out of this one. So I just started torching the other one off and get it cleaned up and start fitting the new one. Okay, I got everything cut off. The end of the tubes being compromised, so I've got a mark about 2 inches back that'll get me into fresh steel, and they should never notice the difference in the turning radius behind the tractor. So time to get out the Metabo and start slicing. Well, we got her all done and primered. Added a gusset to it. What they do is they hook on, they've got a ball hitch on the back of their tractor up there, and this is on a jack stand. That way they don't have to get in and out of the tractor for hooking and unhooking. So this is definitely an off-road rig, but they ought to be good for several hay seasons to come up. All right, well, I guess that's it. And got to get on to bigger and better. Thanks, guys. Any questions or comments, leave them below, and don't forget to like.